Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can opt out of all marketing email notifications. So if you don't want them anymore and you want to opt out of them but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So you just need to be in your library right here. So after you tap on your library, just go to your downloads, and once you're in your download page, you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see a gear-like option. Just go ahead and tap right here, and now you can open their download settings. And once you're here, just go ahead and tap on account right here. So after you do so, now you would be shown these multiple informations about your username, your friend code, your email address, your VAC status, and many more. So you just need to go ahead and tap on account details. And after you do so, now all you need to do is scroll down till you find manage email preferences. Just go ahead and tap here and scroll all the way down. Now finally you can see this opt out of all email marketing communication option. So if you have turned this on, then you're good to go. Just go ahead and turn this button on, tap on save, and you would successfully be opting out of all email marketing communication. So guys, there you go. That's how you opt out of all email marketing communication in Steam. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.